Say what you want about lack of weather in Southern California. After the rain, it's pretty nice out here. Hey, how are you? So this week I'm going to be doing a shakedown hike. I'm going to be doing about 4 days on the PCT. I'm going to start at the southern terminus and just see how far I get. I'd like to do maybe 10 miles a day, but honestly I've no real goal for miles. Plan is just kind of see how I do. Give me a chance to test out my tents, give me a chance to check out my cooking system, and carrying all that stuff on my back. And it should be interesting because I don't know how the weather's going to be. Could be good, could be bad. It's a weird time of year. It also means I'm going to have a lot of darkness. It gets dark about 5 o'clock. So we'll see how that goes. I don't know. I think it'll be fun. I'd like to do at least 30 or 40 miles. So I'm going to shoot for 10 miles a day and see how it goes. Obviously, terrain, weather, and how I'm feeling. Maybe old injuries are whacked up or whatnot. So the goal is not to destroy myself. The goal is to have fun with it.